What's up, guys? Hope you all are having a great week so far. You know what time it is. We're back with another Buc-ee's update. We're changing it up a little bit this time. I let my son do all the flying, so you get to see it from his perspective. Let us know what you think of his piloting skills down in the comments below. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for this week's update. Things are moving along swimmingly here in Springfield, Missouri. I think they're right on track. We'll see come December of this year. Make sure to check back every week for more updates. And we'll see you guys in the next one. As always, if you want to keep going down the YouTube rabbit hole, it's picked another video for you right here. Thanks for watching.